save some money or make a better energy choice, save the environment, save our country's future.
North American Power is focusing on 100% sustainable renewable energy. Everybody with me on that?
Let me tell you something about renewable energy. Not only can it save the environment, can it correct and prevent climate change, but guess what? This energy is made in America.
We, as a movement, as a cause, go out there and get folks to choose renewable, sustainable energy. Is there a chance that we can lessen our country's dependency on foreign oil? If we lessen our country's dependency on foreign oil, is there a chance we have a little leverage at getting better pricing? If we get better pricing on a barrel of oil, is there a chance that the cost of everything might come back down? But who in this room would truly like to make a difference in other people's lives?
We have a sustainable, socially responsible business model, and that's what you're all a part of.
Be a company that's going to give back to the community. Because people talk about it, but very few companies are ever going to go out there and reach into their pocket and take 10 or 15 or 20% of companies' profits and give it to charity.
And when you buy a product from us, not only do you have this opportunity, but we also donate $1 every single month to a charity that you get to choose.
And one of the great things about our partnership with North American Power and the Mission to Millions program is that the dollars raised come to Save the Children as unrestricted donations. So we really have the power to direct those dollars to the programs with the greatest impact and where there's a real need.
Yeah, I want to thank North American Power for choosing Action Against Hunger as one of its partners, and it's just an incredible program.
We as a company, we created this concept of Mission to Millions, and we stand by this. This is who we are, this is our brand, and it's going to be a part of every product that we have.
Now, I'm not saying that Mr. Breitbart is in this for nonprofit. Don't get me wrong, okay? But his heart, that's what just gets you. His heart. You know what I'm saying?
There's a reason why people are attracted to a business that's about sharing, that's about communicating.
When you become one of our customers, you immediately will get this website that you're on right now. So right now you're on someone else's site. Right after you enroll with us, just for being a customer for free, you're going to get this website where you can share it with other people. And on top of doing that, we're also going to give you tools, sharing tools, social media tools, and real-life tools, PBRs and hotel meetings and events that you can plug into to help share this message and spread it with other people. So I've just signed up for one of our products, whether it's our Power product or it's American Wind. As soon as I get to the thank you page, it's already generated my website. I'm already a rep. I have a website. I can send people right to there. Or I can use these tools right away to send people to that site, and it will track back right away. I mean, you literally just signed up, right then. You immediately have a site, and you immediately can share, and it tracks back to you.
If we could offer people an honest to goodness, no investment, no risk opportunity to be financially stable in this economy, would that be a good thing?
The deregulation of electricity is going to be the largest transfer of wealth in American history, because telecom was previously the largest. Telecom was a $200 billion industry. Electricity and natural gas is an $850 billion industry, and it's moving from a monopolistic few to all of us in the room and thousands of other people.
All right, this all sounds wonderful. You've got this great product. I get to give $1 to charity. You're going to give me a free website. I get to share this with people. I get paid to do this too. This is amazing. How are you paying? Is it, monopoly money? Is it, points or something? No, it's real money. We show people you can either get paid on this pay card or you can get a direct deposit to your bank account.
There is not another company in the home-based business space that pays out a more lucrative compensation plan than what's in your hands. You have the finest opportunity in the history of home-based business.
You get out there and start talking about this, it will transform your life. I mean, this is way more than just money. It's happiness, which is why we want to make the money.
This company is absolutely going to have an impact on our lives individually, but it can have an impact on the nation and it can have a global impact, but only if we all go out there and do our part. Fair enough? Understand, it is our job to go out there and share this information. This company should no longer be the best kept secret in the industry. Is everybody with me?